we're just going to go over a quick video on how to try and get all these swirl marks out. Try to make the paint look as good as it used to. So today we're just going to be using some 3M rubbing compound. We also have some 3M polisher. Basically you're just going to take a little bit, put some on the rag, and then just dab it around the area that you want to get. Let's do a smaller area at first to see how it works out. Alright guys, so basically you can see down at the bottom left, you can see a little bit of swirl still, but you come up towards the Harley where I started wiping down and doing the rubbing compound, just rubbing a couple circles. It's completely gone. So the paint looks fresh, just like when it came out of the dealership. You can tell the difference from right there to jumps over to polished. Alright, now I'm just going to show one little spot that was in the video where it still has some swirls, just to show you guys that how easy it comes out. You're just going to take the dry side of the rag, kind of wipe down a little bit, get all the rubbing compound off. Completely gone. No more swirl marks. Turns your paint into a brand new, just like when it came off the line at the dealership. And that is from the 3M rubbing compound. Alright, and also after you guys are done rubbing all the rubbing compound off, I recommend using at least a spray wax or some type of shine to get all of it off. Make sure you get all the rubbing compound off the paint. Just make sure you don't have any swirls or anything from the rubbing compound. I use Garrett's and it tends to work out pretty nicely for me. Paint looks good, the rubbing compound's gone. But yeah, I do recommend them. And yeah, the bike cleans up super nice with that 3M. So I definitely recommend using that. Alright guys, that concludes the video. Shows you how well that 3M really works. If you guys could go like and subscribe to the account, and hopefully get some more videos up here soon.